Good morning, boys and girls. So today for your skills lesson 4, page 21, here's the story of the milk. Remember, we read it a long time ago in the beginning of the year about Jane, how she wanted to go to the market to sell her milk so she could have money to buy a pig, and then she could sell her pig to get a dress. So what I want you to do is I want you to edit this because it's missing a lot of punctuation, it's missing capital letters, and it also has a lot of spelling errors. So when you do this, all you have to do is click on this pencil, and then you'll be able to just cross it out and put a capital T, and there should be an E at the end, and then was is spelled wrong, so you can just do W-A-S. So if this is difficult for you, instead, you can always do the text box, and you can put it here, and like lass should be L-A-S-S, so that's all you do. And then named, you could always just go underneath. Named should be spelled with an ED. And Jane, we know, should be capitalized because it's her name. And there should be a punctuation mark at the end of Jane because that is the end of the sentence. All right? So just do your best. Have a good day.